Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss how you can warm up your new Facebook ad account because there might be some of the problems when you will start running the campaigns from your new ad account. So this account might be restricted or Facebook disable your complete profile for creating the ads. So you need to take some precautionary measures and then you can start creating the ads. So before creating the actual conversion campaigns, you need to do some of the things. So first of all, whenever you will create your ad account, so you need to first of all add your business details there, and you need to set up the uh, two-factor authentication. So these are the two things before starting the campaign. Then from the ad account, you need to first of all create the Facebook page like campaign, and you can like put some $5 to $10 in that one, so you can see if your ads are approving from the Facebook. Then again you need to create a traffic campaign for creating the ads, and again you can put some amount here, $5 to $10 in that one. But for this one again, remember that always use ad copy or creative that you know it will 100% approve. If you don't have trust on your ad copy that it will approve or not, so do not put that in the new ad account. Otherwise, if there will be any problem with the ad copy or creative, there are chances that your ad account restricted or Facebook disable that. So from the traffic campaign, you will also know that if your like the landing page is properly working. You can also test this traffic campaign without putting any ad copy. You can simply put image or video and the landing page link, and you can see from that if the landing page has no issue and it complies all the Facebook advertising policies. Then after you will spend $5 to $10 on the traffic campaign. Now you know that the ad copy is properly working, creatives are working, landing page link is working. Then the next thing you need to you can create the conversion campaigns. But for the conversion campaigns, always remember after the iOS 14 changes, you need to create the conversion campaigns for your verified domain. Always create the conversion campaign for verified domain. Even Facebook not approve the campaigns without the verified domains. They are only putting the basic conversion objective there. But if you will start running the campaigns properly, first of all verify your domain, and then you can set up your campaign. So in this way you can warm up your new Facebook ad account, and hope so this will warm up your account and there will be no problem regarding the ad account restriction or ad account disable.